The following audiobook was created using these 6 tools. Kriya for the book mockup and for the image generation of the character that's actually used in the thumbnail, I think here, for example. So this character was created using Kriya. And then the text was cleaned up and written using ChatGPT. So ChatGPT reformatted because it's really good at writing the text. So that's the main thing with using ChatGPT, especially for the images and then the text. Then GenSpark did the research, pretty much wrote the whole ebook, 29 pages. I just dumped it into Google Docs, and then from there PDF'd it, and then dropped it into 11 Labs. I already cloned my voice, so it's using my voice, and it reads the audiobook. Export this, and then lastly, you stitch it all together with CapCut, where you'll take a thumbnail created from Canva, put it here, you have the audiobook, and then go ahead and export that. So then you have the video, but there's still like blanks or like dead space. So I wanted to clean up all the dead space. So lastly, it was ran through GLING, which is an AI video editor. This will remove all the dead space. So you can see here on the timeline, like that little cut right there. And if I continue on, so it went through, made 100 cuts, cut it down about 6 minutes, but it just removed all the dead space and just made it much easier. Export that, and now it's going onto YouTube, and this is the audiobook that you're listening. Thank you.
The 4-Hour Workday Blueprint, the 4-Hour Workday Blueprint. The complete guide to the 4 AI tool system that eliminates 80% of manual work. By Jonathan Acuna, founder, Simple Tech Skills. Introduction, the 4-Hour Workday Revolution. Why this guide exists. Every week, I meet brilliant professionals and entrepreneurs who are trapped in 12-hour workdays, switching between 47-plus productivity apps and feeling more overwhelmed than ever despite having access to the most advanced AI tools in history. They're not lazy, they're not incompetent, they're using a broken system. This guide exists to show you a different way, a way to compress your 12-hour workday into 4 focused hours a day while actually increasing your income and reclaiming your life. What you'll discover. In the next pages, you'll discover the exact 4 AI tools that eliminate 80% of manual work. Why tool hopping is keeping you stuck and stressed. How to set up systems that work while you sleep. Real transformations from professionals just like you. A 90-day roadmap to your 4-hour workday. How to use this guide. This isn't a theoretical manual. It's a practical implementation guide. Each chapter builds on the previous one, so read it in order. Take notes, follow the action steps, and most importantly, implement what you learn. Your 4-hour workday transformation starts now. Chapter 1. The broken system. The 12-hour workday trap. Let me paint a picture that might feel familiar. 6 a.m., your alarm goes off. You immediately grab your phone and start checking emails, Slack messages, and notifications from 15 different apps. 6:30 a.m., you're already feeling behind. Your brain is scattered across text messages, Instagram, LinkedIn, email, and your calendar app. 8 a.m., you sit down to work. You open your computer to 23 browser tabs, 8 different productivity apps, and a desktop covered in random files. 9 a.m., you spend an hour just trying to remember what you were working on yesterday and figuring out what to prioritize today. 12 p.m., you've switched between apps 47 times. You've responded to emails, updated 3 different project management tools, and created content in 4 different platforms. You feel busy, but not productive. 3 p.m., you realize you haven't made real progress on anything important. You're drowning in busy work. 6 p.m., you're supposed to stop working, but you feel behind, so you keep going. 10 p.m., you finally close your laptop, exhausted, knowing you'll have to do it all again tomorrow. Does this sound familiar? You're not alone. Why working harder makes you poorer? Here's the counterintuitive truth. The harder you work manually, the poorer you become relative to AI-powered professionals. While you're grinding through 12-hour days, your competitors are finishing by 2 p.m. using AI systems. They're taking on more clients because they can deliver faster. They're raising their rates because they provide better results. They're growing their businesses while you're stuck in operations. The gap is widening every single day. The tool overwhelm problem. The average professional uses 37 different productivity apps. Let me show you why this is destroying your productivity. Context switching. Cost. Every time you switch apps, your brain needs 23 minutes to fully refocus. With 47 apps, you're never actually focused. Decision fatigue. You spend more time deciding which tool to use than actually working. Data silos. Your information is scattered across multiple platforms with no connection between them. Learning curve. Every new tool requires time to learn, set up, and maintain. Integration. Nightmare. Tools don't talk to each other, creating manual work to keep them in sync. The solution isn't more tools, it's the right system. Chapter 2. The one thing that changes everything. The 4 AI tool system revealed. After working with over 400 entrepreneurs and analyzing thousands of hours of productivity data, I discovered something remarkable. The most successful professionals don't use more tools, they use fewer tools integrated as a system. Specifically, they use 4 AI-powered tools that work together to eliminate 80% of manual work. Notion, your AI brain. TickTick, your AI time master. Custom GPT, your AI assistant. GenSpark, your AI intelligence. These aren't random tools. They're specifically chosen because they integrate seamlessly and cover the 4 core areas where professionals waste the most time. Why systems beat tools? Every time, a tool is something you use. A system is something that works for you. Tools require you to remember to use them, input data manually, switch between platforms, maintain and update them. Systems work by operating automatically, connecting data between platforms, reducing decisions and context switching, improving them's time. The 4-tool system isn't just more efficient, it's transformational. The integration secret. Here's what most people miss. The magic isn't in the individual tools, it's in how they work together. The flow. Notion organizes all your information in one place. TickTick optimizes how you spend your time on what matters. Custom GPT handles 80% of your communication and content creation. GenSpark provides instant intelligence for decisions and strategy. When properly integrated, these 4 tools create a productivity multiplier effect that can compress 12 hours of work into 4 hours of focused output. Chapter 3, False Belief Number 1, The Tool Trap. Why 47 apps don't work. Maria came to me with 47 AI tools bookmarked in her browser. She was spending 3 hours a day just trying to figure out which tool to use for which task. Her morning routine: check 6 different email apps, update 4 project management platforms, post content to 8 social media schedulers, research using 5 different AI tools, take notes in 3 different apps. She felt productive because she was busy, but she was actually less productive than someone using basic tools because she spent more time managing tools than working. The tool trap. More tools equals more complexity equals less productivity. The 4-tool solution. Instead of 47 scattered tools, successful professionals use 4 integrated systems. The 4 core functions. 1. Organization. Notion. Replaces Google Docs, Dropbox, Evernote, Airtable, project management. Tools. Function. Central brain for all information. Dubunche. Time management. TickTick. Replaces calendar apps, task managers, reminder systems, time trackers. Function. Optimizes how you spend your time. Third AI assistant. Custom GPT. Replaces writing assistants, email templates, content research tools. Function. Handles routine communication and content. 4. Intelligence. GenSpark. Replaces Google Search, research assistants, competitive analysis tools. Data aggregators. Function provides instant insights for decisions. From chaos to clarity before 47 tools. Information scattered across multiple platforms. Constant context switching and decision fatigue. Time wasted on tool management instead of work. Inconsistent workflows and missed connections. After 4-tool system. All information centralized and connected. Automated workflows that run without you. Focus on high-value work instead of busy work. Seamless integration that improves over time. Maria implemented the 4-tool system over 1 weekend. Within a week, she had reclaimed 20 hours and felt calm for the first time in months. The difference? She stopped collecting tools and started building systems. Chapter 4, False Belief Number 2, The Complexity Myth. AI for non-tech people. I'm not technical enough for AI. I hear this every day, and it's completely wrong. The most powerful AI tools are designed for non-technical people. You don't need to code. You don't need to understand algorithms. You just need to know which tools to use and how to set them up. Jennifer, a wellness coach who calls herself Tech Challenged, set up the entire 4-tool system in 1 weekend. She went from $8,000 months working 60 hours to $15,000 months working 35 hours. Here's how each tool works. Tool number 1, Notion, your AI brain. What it replaces: Google Docs, Dropbox, Evernote, project management tools, note-taking apps. What it does: becomes your second brain where everything lives and connects. Time saved, 5+ hours per week on organization and file management. Setup time, 2 hours. How Notion transforms your work. Before: files scattered across Google Drive, Dropbox, and desktop, notes in Apple Notes, Google Docs, and random text files, project information in email, Slack, and various apps, constant searching for information and documents. After: everything in one organized searchable system, AI-powered connections between related information, automated templates for recurring projects, instant access to any information from anywhere. Notion Setup Essentials. Create your workspace structure, personal work projects. Set up templates for recurring tasks and projects. Connect your calendar and email for automatic updates. Use AI features for content generation and organization. Tool number 2, TickTick, your AI time master. What it replaces: calendar apps, task managers, reminder systems, time tracking tools. What it does: optimizes your time using AI-powered scheduling and task prioritization. Time saved, 4+ hours per week on planning and prioritization. Setup time, 1 hour. How TickTick transforms your time before: Reactive scheduling based on whatever seems urgent. Constant task switching and interrupted focus time. Overcommitting and missing deadlines. No clear priority system for competing demands. After. AI optimized schedule based on energy levels and priorities. Protected focus blocks for deep work. Automated task prioritization and deadline management. Realistic time estimates and workload balancing. Tick setup essentials. Connect all your calendars and task sources. Set up smart scheduling with focus time blocks. Configure AI prioritization based on your goals. Create automated routines for recurring activities. Tool number 3, Custom GPT, your AI assistant. What it replaces: email templates, content writers, research assistants, virtual assistants. What it does: handles 80% of your communication in your voice and style. Time saved: 8+ hours per week on emails, content, and repetitive tasks. Setup time: 3 hours. How Custom GPT transforms your communication. Before: writing every email from scratch, struggling with content creation and writer's block, spending hours on research and data analysis, repetitive responses to similar questions. After: AI assistant that writes in your voice, instant content creation for any purpose, automated research and data compilation, consistent professional communication. Custom GPT setup essentials. Train your GPT with examples of your writing style. Create templates for common communication types. Set up automated workflows for routine tasks. Configure knowledge base with your business information. Tool number 4, GenSpark, your AI intelligence. What it replaces: Google search, research assistants, competitive analysis tools, market research. What it does: provides instant comprehensive intelligence for any business decision. Time saved: 6+ hours per week on research and strategic thinking. Setup time: 30 minutes. How GenSpark transforms your intelligence. Before: hours spent on Google searches and information compilation, superficial research leading to poor decisions, delayed responses due to information gathering, competitive blindness from lack of market intelligence. After: instant comprehensive research on any topic, AI-powered competitive analysis and market insights, real-time data for strategic decision-making, professional-grade intelligence accessible to anyone. Spark setup essentials. Connect your business accounts and data sources, set up monitoring for competitors and industry trends, create research templates for common analysis needs, configure alerts for important market changes. Chapter 5, False belief. Number 3, the time excuse. The 2-hour setup that saves 20+ hours weekly. I don't have time to set up systems. This is the hamster wheel excuse. You're running so fast you think you can't stop to get off the wheel. Michael said the same thing. Business coach making $12,000 per month working 55 hours per week. I don't have time to learn AI. I asked him, how much time do you spend on admin tasks each week? He calculated 25 hours. What if I could show you how to get 20 of those hours back with just 2 hours of setup time? That got his attention. Implementation timeline. Here's exactly what we did with Michael and what you can replicate. Saturday morning, 2 hours total. Hour 1, Notion setup. Import all scattered files and documents. Create workspace structure and templates. Connect calendar and email integrations. Set up AI-powered organization system. Hour 2, tick integration. Connect all calendars and task sources. Set up smart scheduling and priority system. Create focused time blocks and routine automation. Configure AI optimization preferences. Saturday afternoon, 1 hour. Custom GPT training with writing samples. Create communication templates. Test automation workflows. Sunday morning, 30 minutes. GenSpark account setup and integration. Configure monitoring and research templates. Total setup time, 3.5 hours over 1 weekend. Before and after transformations. Michael's transformation: before, hours, 55 per week. Income, $12,000 per month. Stress level, constant overwhelm. Family time, minimal. Growth, stuck in operations. After, 90 days. Hours, 25 per week. Income, $15,000 per month. Stress level, calm and focused. Family time, present for dinners and weekends. Growth, scaling with systems. ROI: 2 hours invested equals 20 hours saved. Weekly equals 1,040 hours saved annually. That's equivalent to getting 6 extra months of time every year. The math: time investment, 3.5 hours. Weekly time savings, 20+ hours. Annual time savings, 1,040+ hours. Value of time saved, $52,000+ annually at $50 per hour. ROI: 14,800% return on time investment. The question isn't whether you have time to set up systems. The question is whether you can afford not to. Chapter 6, Real Member Success Stories. Sarah's content creation. Breakthrough background, marketing consultant, 42, mother of 2. Challenge: spending 20+ hours weekly on content creation, inconsistent posting, creative burnout. Before the 4-tool system: content creation, 20 hours per week. Posting frequency, 2 to 3 times per week. Inconsistent client acquisition, manual outreach, low response rates. Work schedule, 60 hours per week. Stress level, high. Felt like content creation was taking over her life. After implementation: content creation, 4 hours per week. Posting frequency, Daily, consistent, 3 months of content ready, client acquisition, automated lead generation from content, work schedule, 30 hours per week, stress level, low, content system runs itself. Specific results. Client inquiries doubled from 4 to 8 per month. Raised rates 40% due to perceived expertise from consistent content. Reclaimed 16 hours per week for family and business growth. Generated 3 months of content in advance, eliminating deadline stress. Sarah's quote, "The AI content system alone saves me 20 hours per week. I went from struggling to post consistently to having 3 months of content ready. My client inquiries doubled and I raised my rates 40%. I finally have my evenings back with Michael's income acceleration background. Business coach, 38, helping entrepreneurs scale challenge. Trapped in one-on-one coaching, manual client management, administrative overwhelm. Before the 4-tool system, work hours, 55 per week, income, $12,000 per month, client capacity, 15 one-on-one clients, maxed out, administrative time, 25 hours per week, growth potential, none, no time for business development. After implementation, work hours, 25 per week, income, $15,000 per month, client capacity, 25 clients through group programs, administrative time, 5 hours per week, growth potential, high, systems enable scaling. Specific results. Increased monthly income by $3,000 while working half the time, automated client onboarding, reducing setup time by 90%, created group coaching programs, increasing client capacity by 67%, built email automation generating 3 qualified leads daily. Michael's quote, "I automated my client onboarding and content creation using the systems from this community. I'm now working 25 hours instead of 55 while making $3,000 more per month. The ROI was immediate." Jennifer's work-life integration background. Wellness coach, 45, single mother. Challenge, working nights and weekends, missing family time, income plateau. Before the 4-tool system, work schedule, 60 hours per week, including nights and weekends, income, $8,000 per month, client management, manual tracking, missed follow-ups, family time, minimal, always working, business growth, stagnant due to manual processes. After implementation, work schedule, 35 hours per week, no nights or weekends, income, $15,000 per month, client management, automated workflows and follow-ups, family time, present for school events and family dinners, business growth, scaling through systemization. Specific results. Nearly doubled income while reducing hours by 42%, implemented automated lead generation and nurture sequences, created digital coaching programs for passive income, reclaimed evenings and weekends for family. Jennifer's quote, "I implemented the automation workflows and lead generation system. In 6 months, I went from $8,000 months to consistent $15,000 months while actually having time for my family again. I can pick up my daughter from school and be present for dinner every night." Common success patterns. Across all success stories, we see consistent patterns. Time patterns. Average time savings, 20 to 30 hours per week. Setup time investment, 3 to 6 hours over one weekend. ROI timeline, results visible within 2 to 4 weeks. Income patterns. Average income increase, 25 to 50% within 90 days. Pricing increases, 40 to 60% due to efficiency and positioning. Client capacity, 50 to 100% increase through automation. Lifestyle patterns. Work-life balance, evenings and weekends reclaimed. Stress reduction, calm, focused mindset replaces overwhelm. Growth mindset, from operations-focused to strategy-focused. The 4-tool system doesn't just save time, it transforms how you work and live. Chapter 7, the 90-day implementation roadmap. Days 1 to 30, foundation setup. Week 1, Notion foundation. Objective, create your central brain and eliminate information scatter. Day 1 to 2, workspace setup. Create main workspace structure, personal work projects. Import existing files from Google Drive, Dropbox, desktop. Set up basic templates for notes, projects, and tasks. Day 3 to 4, information migration. Move all important documents into Notion. Create project dashboards for active work. Set up meeting notes and client information templates. Day 5 to 7, AI integration. Enable Notion AI features. Create automated templates for recurring work. Set up database connections and automated updates. Week 2, Tick time mastery. Objective, optimize your time management and eliminate reactive scheduling. Days 8 to 9, calendar integration. Connect all calendars, work, personal, project-specific. Import existing tasks and deadlines. Set up location-based and time-based automation. Day 10 to 11, priority system. Configure AI-powered task prioritization. Create energy-based scheduling. High-energy tasks in morning. Set up focused time blocks for deep work. Days 12 to 14, routine automation. Create morning and evening routines. Set up recurring task automation. Configure smart scheduling for optimal productivity. Week 3, custom GPT assistant objective. Train your AI assistant to handle communication in your voice. Days 15 to 16, voice training. Upload samples of your writing, emails, content proposals, Train GPT on your communication style and preferences. Create personality profile and tone guidelines. Days 17 to 18, template creation. Build email templates for common responses. Create content templates for social media and marketing. Set up client communication workflows. Days 19 to 21, automation setup. Connect custom GPT to your communication platforms. Set up automated responses and content generation. Test and refine AI responses for accuracy. Week 4, GenSpark Intelligence Objective. Set up your AI intelligence system for instant research and insights. Days 22 to 23, account setup. Create GenSpark account and explore capabilities. Connect to your business data sources. Set up monitoring for competitors and industry trends. Day 24 to 25, research templates. Create templates for common research needs. Set up automated industry monitoring. Configure market intelligence alerts. Days 26 to 30, integration testing. Test all systems working together. Refine connections between tools, document processes, and workflows. Days 31 to 60, system integration. Week 5 to 6, workflow connect. Objective, connect all 4 tools into seamless workflows. Focus areas. Create information flow between Notion and TickTick. Set up custom GPT to pull from Notion databases. Use GenSpark Research to populate Notion projects. Automate task creation from emails and meetings. Week 7 to 8, advanced automation. Objective, build sophisticated workflows that run without you. Focus areas, client onboarding automation from lead to delivery, content creation workflows from research to publication, project management automation from planning to completion, communication automation for common scenarios. Days 61 to 90, advanced optimization. Week 9 to 10, performance analysis. Objective, measure time savings and optimize for maximum efficiency. Focus areas, track time saved per tool and workflow. Identify bottlenecks and optimization opportunities. Refine AI training for better accuracy. Scale successful automations across more areas. Week 11 to 12, income optimization. Objective, leverage time savings for income growth. Focus areas, use reclaimed time for business development. Implement higher value service offerings. Create passive income streams through automation. Optimize pricing based on increased efficiency. Monthly milestones. Month 1, goal, save 10 plus hours per week. Eliminate tool switching. Month 2, goal, save 20 plus hours per week. Automate routine tasks. Month 3, goal, save 25 plus hours per week. Focus only on high value work. Success metrics, time, metrics, hours saved per week, number of manual tasks eliminated, reduction in context switching, increase in focused work time. Income metrics, revenue increase from efficiency gains, new opportunities from reclaimed time, rate increases due to improved positioning, passive income from automated systems. Quality of life, metrics, work-life balance improvement, stress level reduction, family time increase, weekend work elimination. By day 90, you should be working 4 to 6 focused hours per day instead of 12 scattered hours, while earning the same or more income. Conclusion, your 4-hour workday starts now. The choice before you. You now have everything you need to transform your 12-hour workdays into 4-hour focused work sessions. You understand why the current system is broken, how the 4-tool system eliminates 80% of manual work, the specific tools and implementation steps, real transformations from people just like you. You have 2 choices. Choice 1, continue with the current system. Keep working 12-plus hour days, stay trapped in tool overwhelm, watch AI-powered professionals pull ahead, miss family time and personal fulfillment. Choice 2, implement the 4-tool system. Work 4 to 6 focused hours daily, eliminate 80% of manual busy work, increase income through efficiency gains, reclaim your time in life. Next steps, this weekend, set aside 4 hours to begin implementation. Start with Notion setup and information migration. Install and configure TickTick with your calendars. Begin training your custom GPT with writing samples. Week 1, complete Notion workspace setup. Integrate TickTick time management. Test basic custom GPT responses. Set up GenSpark account. Week 2 to 4, follow the 30-day foundation roadmap. Track time savings and productivity gains. Refine and optimize workflows. Document your transformation. Getting support. The 4-tool system is powerful, but implementation can be challenging without guidance. That's why I created the AI community, where 155 plus professionals support each other through the transformation process. In the AI community, you get step-by-step implementation guidance, weekly live sessions for questions and troubleshooting, templates and automations that you can copy immediately, a network of professionals who've already made the transformation, ongoing support as AI tools evolve and improve. But this guide gives you everything you need to start immediately. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't wait until you have more time. Don't wait until you feel ready. Start this weekend. Your 4-hour workday and the life that comes with it is waiting. Join the community. If you want ongoing support, proven templates, and a network of professionals implementing these systems together, consider joining the AI community. VIP membership, complete 4-tool implementation training, 5 weekly live sessions, private community of 155 plus professionals, done-for-you templates and automations, ongoing support and updates. Special offer for guide readers. Try the AI community free for 7 days. No credit card required, full access to all training and community. Cancel anytime if it's not right for you. Click here to start your 7-day free trial to the AI community to learn how to build your own 4-hour workday system. About the author. Jonathan Acuna is the founder of Simple Tech Skills and has over 25 years of experience in technology and automation. He has helped over 400 entrepreneurs implement AI systems that save 20 plus hours per week while increasing their income. Jonathan personally transformed from working 60-hour weeks to 4-hour days using the exact system outlined in this guide. Man! Copyright 2025, Simple Tech Skills, all rights reserved. This guide may be shared freely in its complete unmodified form.